Hello friends, so here by having the name of Ma Saraswati, by having the blessings of Ma Saraswati, let's find out in today's reading, in a very quick reading, that what you need to know right now. At this very moment when you're watching this reading, what you need to remember, what you need to follow, so that आपका जो भी काम है वो बन जाए, आपकी चीज़ें स्मूथ रहें, पूरा दिन आपका बहुत अच्छे से बीते. Okay, so let's see what you need to know right now. So this is general. I will have only I will not have piles kind. Okay, I will have only one, and I hope it will resonate with you all. So cards are shuffled by having the name of Ma Saraswati. Let's see what you need to know right now. So I will have 3 cards. Okay, 3 cards so that I can tell you in detail what you are supposed to remember. Okay, let's have 3 cards and find out what we need to know right now. So first one is the Fool, second one is 6 of Pentacles, and the next one is Page of Wands. So here you need to remember that you are, one thing is for sure, you are very serious when it comes to your career, when it comes to your finances. आप अपने करियर को लेकर, अपने को सेटल करने को लेकर सीरियस हो और आपको, आपकी इंटेंशन भी बहुत अच्छी है. Your intention isn't that I will earn a lot of money, I will make bank balance and this. No, your intention is like, I will earn money and I will definitely do something for others, someone needy around me, could be in your relation or anything. Yes, so if you are having this planning and you are very much concentrated, focused on your work, that's good. But at the same time, you are supposed to avoid being overconfident. बिकॉज ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस से क्या होता है कि हम बहुत सी छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को इग्नोर कर देते हैं. सो दिस शुडंट बी द एटीट्यूड. आपको बहुत ही सोच समझ के फूक के कदम रखना है व्हेन इट कम्स टू टेकिंग डिसीजन इन योर करियर. बिकॉज करियर के अराउंड ही रिवॉल्व करती है आपकी पूरी लाइफ. ओके, सो यू आर सपोज टू focusing on career good, and there could be very much possibility someone will come to ask to you for money. Definitely you will notice that someone will come to ask you money, and you are supposed to, please mark my word, if someone comes to ask for money, किसी को ज़रूरत हो सकती है, तो you are supposed to be very careful. सचमुच में वो पर्सन नीडी है, क्योंकि डेफिनेटली वही पर्सन आएगा मांगने जिसको आप पहले से जानते हो. तो यू शुड रिमेंबर द हिस्ट्री ऑफ दैट पर्सन कि वो सचमुच में नीडी है, हमेशा से वो ऐसा दिक्कत में रहा है या सिर्फ शो ऑफ कर रहा है, उसकी हैबिट अच्छी नहीं है व्हेन इट कम्स टू स्पेंडिंग मनी. तो प्लीज़ सोच समझ के ही लैंड करें, और प्लीज़ ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस से बचें. खुद पे विश्वास रखें, भगवान पे विश्वास रखें, बट एट द सेम टाइम ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होना चाहिए. एक और बात मैं कहूँगी, मैंने बोला करियर. ओके, करियर इज़ द मस्ट, बट एट द सेम टाइम इन एनी वॉक ऑफ लाइफ you are supposed to avoid overconfidence. So overconfidence is something which need to avoid. This is the main thing we need to remember right now. Okay, please let me know if it resonates. Thank you.